So guys, so I know I haven't really posted any videos for like the last 3-4 weeks, but I mean we've been pretty busy. School just started this week too, so it's another reason why. But I just want to let you know that we're starting to build notches, and we're gonna start offering other stuff like shock relocation kits. I'm working on a 4-link system for the trucks too. I think I'm gonna try it out on the 9906 first, and then work up to the 07 to 13 and the 14 to 18. But yeah, we're gonna start selling notches, shipping them out. Right now I have 9906, and I also have the 07 to 18s. So let us know, you know, hit us up on Instagram or whatever. I am making a website pretty soon, so it'll be on the website. But today we're gonna be working on this Dodge Ram. I mean, it looks cool, whatever, but it's a ghetto drop. It has cut springs, and I believe he told me it was like a 6/8 drop. In the back it has like a welded flip kit to the diff and some drop blocks. And the shocks, they're, what did he get? He got some shocks, but you kind of have to relocate them because it's so low, so it rides like shit. And then the way they had this truck set up, it messed up his pinion angle, so it fucked up the diff, and he just got the whole diff replaced. So we're gonna be taking all this shit off, and then we'll see what else we find in there. As far as parts, he brought me stock springs and I think some spindles. So we're gonna be putting those on. And then for the back, I think I'm just gonna take off the blocks, and then I'm gonna check out that flip kit, see how bad it is. If it's real bad, we'll probably just give him a new one. I think we could make him one today or whatever. So I'm gonna start moving all this stuff, cleaning up and everything, get the truck inside, put it on jack stands, and start taking the wheels off and see how bad the stuff is in the front. And I already know the back's a mess. Probably gonna take us like 3-4 hours for the back if we do cut off that flip kit. The main thing about those flip kits, I mean, if you're gonna weld it, just make sure that it's a good flip kit that isn't gonna give any pinion angle problems or vibrations. And that's, I mean, mainly you would do that like for like a little race truck, but something like this, man, don't weld a flip kit to the diff. The reason I've seen guys weld them is because they're not even the right flip kit. So that's just a mess, man. So we'll take a look at it and take it apart.
Levantaremos murero.
No, hombre, así está bien. Alright, so these are the springs. This is original spring, a new one. And then this is an original also, but as you can see, they cut the shit out of it. That's how they got the drop. And then it also has a McGoy drop spindle. So that's why he was so low. And then right now, about to put everything back together. And we'll see how the truck sits. He could use some ball joints, but I told him. They didn't really listen. This one's okay. The bottom one's completely out. But for you to change these out, you have to knock out these big ass rivets about the size of my thumb. And this is time, so highly recommend just to buy a new controller. Don't even bother with that. And then we're gonna be working on this one, the all motor labs truck. We're gonna be doing the shock relocation kit on it from Vass, and this one's gonna be pretty cool, pretty badass truck. But I'll probably say this for a different video. Right now we're focused on this guy right here. All right, so I talked to the customer. He wants it like this. He wants it to squat. So basically the front is almost stock. And then the back, well, we had to remove the block, which is right here. And I think his mechanic put a trailer saddle on it, which is not a flip kit, and he welded it. So I can't get a hold of a flip kit for now, so I'll talk to him if he wants to like do the real flip kit, because that is gonna probably make his diff go out again. I can't get one right now, so if he brings it back, I'll cut out that trailer saddle and then do the flip kit, but it's pretty much done. Now it just has a 6-inch drop in the back. So now we're gonna move on to this bad boy right here. We're gonna take off the bed right now and disconnect whatever lights are plugged into in there and all that, and relocate them shocks. Can't wait for my fucking manifold to come in so you can tune my shit already. Alright guys, so we got the bed off and everything. Everything's mocked up. Pretty nice relocation kit for the Fords. We have the clamps on there. We already put the little angle finder thing, make sure everything's straight. So first we're gonna tack the bar, and then we'll tack the brackets for the shocks, and then fully weld everything, paint it, mount the shocks back on, throw the bed back on, and connect whatever we disconnected, and that's it. The beds on these things, man, they are super light. You could probably do it with 2 people, but just to be careful, you know, just have a guy on each corner, so 4 guys and you'll be good. But yeah, this thing's gonna be out today before 5, so badass. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up. We got everything welded, everything bolted up. We took the time and did all the degreeing and all that shit. Everything's nice and straight. And all we gotta do is put the bed back on and just hook up the lights and put the little gas tank bolt and all that stuff back on. But that's pretty much it. We knocked it out in like 3-4 hours. So, yep, hit us up if you need a shock relocation. We got this one. We also have some other ones for like the Chevys. This is specifically for the Ford, but we also have some for the Chevys. That way you can go up and down if you want your shock stiffer or whatever. Very similar to the coilover brackets.
What is this?
This one? Let me check.
Oh, this was a 20 and 21.
Es una... Where's the date at? They usually have a date right here, no? Where's the date at?
Look in the corners.
I thought it's an 18. 6/18.
6/18.
Yeah, because he has miles on it. He has miles on it. That's good. No, he has a sick ass setup and a pop the hood.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Badass.